This is the solution to problem number 9 from semester 1 review number 6. Looking at this expression, the first thing we want to do when factoring is we should always look for a greatest common factor. Here the greatest common factor is 2, so I'm going to pull that out. So I'm going to pull out the 2. That leaves us with x to the 4th minus 13x squared plus 36. I can either factor this directly or I can use a u substitution. I'll do both. So factoring it directly, I'm going to be looking for 2 expressions that multiply to x to the 4th. I'm going to do x squared and x squared. And then I need 2 values that multiply to positive 36 and add to negative 13. Those are going to be negative 9 and negative 4. So I'm going to have x squared minus 9, x squared minus 4, and then I'm going to see, can I factor those further? And x squared minus 9 and x squared minus 4, these are both difference of squares. And so I'm going to factor those further. So x squared minus 9 is going to factor as x plus 3 times x minus 3, and x squared minus 2 is going to factor as x plus 2 times the quantity x minus 2. And that is the complete factorization. We can also do this using a u substitution. So if you don't like factoring that directly, you can recognize that this is an equation of quadratic type. In that case, I'm going to let u equal to x squared, and that would be u squared is equal to x to the 4th. So going ahead and factoring this, so I'm going to make my u substitution. So this is going to become 2u squared minus 13u plus 36. Now I need to find 2 values that multiply to positive 36 and add to negative 13. So that's going to be 2 times u minus 9 times u minus 4, the same values as we found before, because negative 9 times negative 4 is 36. Negative 9 plus negative 4 is negative 13. But we're really trying to factor this in terms of x, not u, so we have to go back and substitute in. So we're going to get, this is the same thing as 2 times the quantity x squared minus 9 times the quantity x squared minus 4. And now we're back to this point in our problem where we would factor completely and get 2 times the quantity x plus 3 times the quantity x minus 3 times the quantity x plus 2 times the quantity x minus 2.